In this video, let me try to get all the flights from the database which we have saved earlier by using a post method, a post API which we have created. Let me write a method public that returns the string. I'm saying get all flights that takes the model. For now, simply just return the string. I'm saying like by using the repository dot find all. I'm saying Control Alt V. This returns the iterable flights. This returns the iterable flights. So for now, I want list of flights. List of flight. Okay. I want a list of flight. For that, I'm saying list of flight. Flight GST. Flight list. Okay. Now I'm saying model dot addAttribute. This takes the attribute value as a flights, and I have the object, the flight object which we are getting from the database, that I will pass it here. Flight list. Okay. In the Thymeleaf, what we will do is we will add these flights now. So based on that, we'll try to iterate through it, and we will get all the details from the DB. What I will do is I will just simply return the string, which is flight details. Here add the request mapping. The value should be like / flight data. I'm saying method equal to request method. Okay, that's it. Now go to the flight details, add the data here. For now, I will just simply remove this. Flight details. After this, I will just simply add. What I will do is I will just simply add. I'll just remove this. Here I will add flights. Okay. Check it. Flights. Table. Border is 1 I'm giving. Okay. Border 1 I'm giving, and after that head inside that row I'm saying th tag will be there. For that I'm saying id. Okay. th airline. departure city, arrival city, flight date, th, flight time. Okay, after that just simply close the tr and t head tag. Okay, this is the one, how it looks like. Okay, for now let me try to get that flight object and iterate through it. After the t head, after the t head, open the just open the t body. Inside the t body I'm saying tr th each equal to flight colon dollar flights flights. If you go here in the controller, okay, get back flights, td th colon, that should be text, equal to dollar flight dot id slash td. td th colon text equal to dollar flight dot copy a line, copy after airline, copy here departure city, copy arrival city, copy it here, after arrival city copy the flight date, after flight date copy the flight time. Okay, after that just simply close the tr should be closed, and after that t body should be closed, and table should be closed, and body should be closed, and html. Okay, everything is fine now. Okay, fine. Now what I will do is run the application. Let's see whether the data is coming from db or not. Application has been started on the 8080 port. Go here, just simply say like flight reservation slash go to the flight controller, come down, copy this flight data. See here, I'm getting the data. If I go to the workbench, if I go here, if I use reservation and do the select star from flight, see here, this data is appearing on the here in the UI. In the next video, what we will do is, here I will set a what I can say is a complete reservation, like book flight. Like let's say for example, I want to book the Indigo flight, so I will set up here the Indigo flight here, book flight link. So if I click the book flight link, it will redirect to the complete reservation page where we already have this flight details, and we need to provide the passenger details there itself. And if we click on OK, it will get booked. The ticket or the reservation will get booked. In the next video, we will work on that. Now we just get the flight details, which we have done the post call, or if you in the last video, what we did is we have saved all the, we have created all the new flights and saved that into the DB. Now we are getting all those flight details and displaying here. If you want to book any flight, we'll just book the flight here. That's what we will do in the next coming video. This is the query that has been executed, the select query down right here. Okay, thank you.